Okay, this is our beginning of our lantern display. Next we're going to add, this is just garland, just regular garland from Hobby Lobby. Just, you know, you get it at like $2.50 after Christmas, which that's normally the only time I buy it, unless there's an emergency and I have to make a garland for a customer. Then I spend a little more if I don't have any left. First you start out fluffing. We've all done that, and that's also fun. Just move these where they're not flat, all the way down the garland. And I'm not going to bore you. Probably all of you fluffed a garland. If not, just take and make them look natural. Each one a different direction. All the way down. Go. Okay, now I've added clusters of 3 ornaments all across the mantle and down the sides. Let me add one more here. And I'll show you what that looks like now, because we're getting closer to done, to done. It's very simple. The biggest thing is clustering this. You can add white poinsettias, red poinsettias, or in my case, I'm going to add these next. And just tuck these in, because I have a ton of white roses. So I'm going to just add the white roses here and there just to fill in. These can be Dollar Tree roses, Dollar Tree poinsettias. Walmart has some beautiful floral too. If you don't want to go as cheap as Dollar Tree, Walmart does have beautiful florals at Christmas time. Don't rule them out, and for fall. So don't rule them out completely. Oops. Make sure your ends doesn't come out and be seen. Okay, next I'll give you an overview of what the whole thing looks like now. Okay, here is our lantern display for the mantle. There's my beautiful painting I made. And there's our lanterns. There's 6 lanterns all together. Four of them is this flickery candle, or lantern. Has the flickery candle in the lantern. The other 2 has this cute red truck. It's more like a snow globe lantern. And we have 2 of those on the mantle. But this is just some ornaments. You could get Dollar Tree ornaments or just a bunch of ornaments at Dollar General, Walmart. These are Walmart, and these are actually Dollar Tree roses. But you could get poinsettias, whatever you choose. It's just a simple, easy lantern mantle. Okay, here is our lantern display for the mantle. There's my beautiful painting I made. And there's our lanterns. There's 6 lanterns all together. Four of them is this flickery candle, or lantern. Has the flickery candle in the lantern. The other 2 has this cute red truck. It's like more like a snow globe lantern. And we have 2 of those on the mantle. But this is just some ornaments. You could get Dollar Tree ornaments or just a bunch of ornaments at Dollar General, Walmart. These are Walmart, and these are actually Dollar Tree roses. But you could get poinsettias, whatever you choose. It's just a simple, easy lantern mantle. Okay, here we're starting our mantle display. And I'll let you, here's what we have. First of all, this big snowman circle with a floral on it. That is a painting that I made. I painted that snowman with the buffalo plaid. That is one of mine. And we have these lanterns. There's 4 of them across the mantle. These were actually for our wedding, which was 14 years ago. And they've been in a storage tote for the last 6 years, never used. So I've been going through the tote and decided I'd pull these out and do my lantern display on how to decorate with lanterns on my mantle with these this year. And then the next lantern is this one, which has a little red truck. And I have 2 of those.